Hey everyone, welcome to Cook Your Heart Out. I'm in the Kitchen Warehouse test kitchen and today we are going to be making some pot sticker dumplings in the air fryer, ready in 5 minutes and on your plate. Let's get started. Okay, so hit pause now and take a screenshot to save all your ingredients. You'll need a cutting board, bowls, measuring spoon, garlic press, a grater, a chef's knife and an air fryer. Using your chef's knife, finely chop up the Savoy cabbage and spring onions, adding them to a large bowl with your minced pork. Chop your mushrooms. A handy hint is to use the back of the blade to avoid dulling the edge of your knife, making it easier to scoop everything into the bowl. Crush your garlic. Using a spoon, peel your ginger and grate straight into the bowl. Add soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, corn flour, pepper and sesame oil. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and mix. Get your dumpling wrappers ready and start by placing in an even amount of the filling in the centre. Lightly wet the edge of each dumpling wrapper. To close your dumplings, pinch the middle together, ensuring no air gets trapped inside, and fold 3 times on each side. Place the dumplings on a tray, ready to pop into a preheated air fryer. Once your dumplings are in the air fryer, set the temperature to 180 degrees and your timer for 5 minutes. Crispy golden dumplings will be cooked in minutes. To make a really simple dipping sauce, just add some soy sauce, some black vinegar, a clove of garlic that's been minced, and just a little bit of sugar. Give it a bit of a stir, and then all we've got to do is try them. So delicious. So how easy was that? Pot sticker dumplings in the air fryer for 5 minutes and on your plate, ready to eat. So easy. Give them a try at home. I'll see you soon.